Get ready for the dictation. Start. While recognizing that the newspaper is a great power, Mahatma Gandhi himself, a great journalist and editor, was very clear about the objectives of journalism and why it shouldn't be an unchained torrent of water. Of course, he wasn't referring to external curbs or control on free speech and freedom of the press, both of which he always supported and fought for. Instead, he was articulating the idea of social responsibility of journalism. This, simply put, means that journalism must be socially responsible, serve the people with devotion, and educate them while avoiding sensationalism, distortion, and manipulation of facts in the news reports, and not compromise with ethical standards of journalism for profit. As the fourth estate of democracy and voice of voiceless, the news media and the institution of journalism plays a crucial role of keeping the citizens informed about the issues, events, and ideas of public interest. The institution of journalism works and operates through news media. The profession and discipline of journalism, through its arts, crafts, and science, makes the news media a powerful instrument of public information, opinion, and debates. One cannot imagine a vibrant democracy without a vibrant, independent, and critical news media, which not only disseminates news and views of public importance but also act as a watchdog that monitors, investigates, and critically examines the functioning of key organs and institutions of the state and evaluates the performance of those in the public office and holds them accountable. An independent news media, which includes legacy media like newspapers, magazines, television, radio, and new media like online news portals and digital news platforms, has been integral to democracy's long and tumultuous journey. Over time, it has evolved with democracy, especially in the last 19th and 20th century. Despite its many shortcomings and ups and downs, the idea and institution of democracy has evolved and matured gradually in many parts of the world. This paved the way for a vibrant press and later news media to flourish and expand. It's not a coincidence that globally an independent, free, and vibrant news media is treated as a key parameter for the success of a democracy and, in fact, is among the crucial factors in measuring its health. So, it's not surprising that given its influential role in shaping public perception, setting the agenda for public debate, and its widespread impact on the society, politics, economy, culture, and governance, news media and journalism enjoys a powerful position in a democratic society. Napoleon Bonaparte had once famously said, "For hostile newspapers are more to be feared than 1,000 bayonets." None can forget famed Urdu poet Akbar Allahabadi's immortal lines: "Do not pull an arrow or a sword oblique publish a newspaper when confronting a canon. But this influence and power comes with great responsibilities. In case of news media and journalism, it is far more important and crucial to be responsible to the society and public whom it claims to be serving. Since its credibility, reputation, and respect is derived entirely from citizens, it becomes doubly important for it to be socially responsible. The credibility and respect doesn't come free or as a gift to the news media but earned and sustained by adhering to the ethical and moral standards of journalism. News media must also follow the principles and norms of journalism and be transparent and accountable for its reportage, commentary, and overall functioning. Stop.